guys, watch this. Ready? Look at the table.
Oh.
Like with brothers, 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 life with brothers, like with.
You're supposed to say go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making super easy clear slime. It's only 2 ingredients. So the first ingredient is clear glue, and you could either use a borax solution or free and clear Tide. Okay, so let's get started. Bowl and a spatula.
And who's that?
Daddy.
And then you can do this. You can try to do this.
I'm pouring the glue into the bowl now. It's coming out really fast.
Oops, sorry.
You want to get out as much as you can. There you go. Now I have all the glue in the bowl, and now I'm going to add in some free and clear Tide.
So I got a little glue in my hand.
Okay, now I'm stirring it up. I'm definitely gonna need some more. It looks so cool. Slowly, it doesn't get as many bubbles and it doesn't turn as white. Yep, I need some more. Daddy's gonna add his in. You just want to pour a little bit at a time, that way you don't ruin it.
Why am I doing that?
No. You just don't have to wait. Put it all up until it feels like slime. Mine is white. Daddy's is clear because he didn't have to stir his as much. Because he just dumped it all in. Now I'm going to work it in my hand.
Have to put something more, or that's it?
That's it. You added too much, so you just have to work it in your hand. I do that almost every single time when we use Tide. So you just work it in your hand. Mine is like snow. It gets fluffier once you play with it. And it's not bad.
So guys,
Yours look like mine when I was mixing it up.
I'll work it
Now-
out.
It's coming together nice, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Now, here comes the next part. As you guys can see, it's not clear. So the next step is to grab your containers. Daddy, get your container.
Okay.
Okay, now you have to put in your container, and you have to wait 7 days.
I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting.
I'm waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting.
We're waiting.
Football? What are we waiting for?
Time.
The reason it's not clear is because it's filled with air bubbles, so it usually takes about 7 days for all the air bubbles to leave your slime, and you're left with perfectly clear slime. We made this slime before and we thought it was wrong because it was white, but it actually wasn't, so we wasted clear slime. But we turned it a color, so we couldn't use that anymore. So now Wait.
Here's how this is good.
Okay. So if you want, you can add some beads to your slime. Your white slime, clear slime. If you want to add some beads to it, you can, because it's going to be clear later. I don't want to add any. Do you want to add some, Dad?
Yes, I want some little bit for easy. See, I can open it. Man.
So he got it open, so now he's going to add some beads. I'm going to add this bead and see if I can find it later when it like starts to flatten out in the container. Okay.
When it gets all clear.
Yeah, there we go. Now I'm going to fold it to the corners.
It is.
That's so pretty.
6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later. 1 eternity later.
What is it, trusted sidekick?
Seven days later. So now we have our clear slime and we're going to open it up. Ooh, I found my star. That was in there.
Looking, guys. You can see how in the bottom.
So take the top off so you can see it.
Okay, now let's flop it onto the table. Okay, it's not going that way. Awesome. Okay, let's... Whoa!
And the daddies with all the stars in it. That's so cool.
Can you see me? I can see you. Look at that! Oh my god! I just made a huge bubble.
Let me see.
Wow.
Okay, guys, watch this. Ready? Look at the table.
Oh.
Here, want to try with mine, and I can try with yours.
Look at it.
That's cool.
Let me see, I can try one.
I think the stars bring it down.
They're too heavy.
Let me try with doing it one with the star. See, no. So this was the super easy clear slime. Also comment of what you would like to see us do next. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Ooh. Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys.